Good morning everyone. I, Swati Kaushal, journalist at Fairgaze, the largest K-12 media, is at Nutan Vidya Mandir, and I feel privileged sitting next to the principal of the school, Mr. G.K. Mishra. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, my very first question to you is, how does your school promote skill building through extracurricular activities?
A skill, I believe, is a process which everybody learns after birth. People are normally confused nowadays about the talent and a skill. When you ask about a skill, I do promote a skill by virtue of allowing the children to explore the different activities in the school premises. I allow always them to work with the teachers. I constantly monitor my teachers that appreciate any smallest thing which they detect during the teaching or in the ground, and let the child be constantly given guidance on that.
Sir, what role does a teacher and a mentor play in a student's life?
Teachers has a very vital role to play. I feel that teachers need to constantly work as a friend nowadays. You cannot be just working as an administrator. Let them feel privileged. Children must feel privileged to come to you and open up their mouth and listen them. I firmly believe that knowledge speaks and wisdom listens. So I work on that.
Sir, how has your journey been as a principal of Nutan Vidya Mandir?
It's a very good question. Probably it's still going on. I consider myself very fortunate to get this wonderful opportunity to work as a principal at my early age. Up till now, I'm very happy with my work, but I do believe that it's still a long way to go. Every day I come to school keeping in mind that I will learn something, and trust me, when I go back, I always be very happy. Most of the time I feel that today is a different, altogether different. I love children. I'm very passionate about kids doing something. I always allow my kids to talk to me, my teachers to talk to me. I empower them. I work on 3 fundamental principles. One is, let's don't power anybody, empower. Number 2, let us don't try to be unnecessarily working as an administrator who wants everybody to follow. Rather, you follow them. Still you can be administrator. So listen them, take everybody together. And the third and most important point, that don't try to unnecessarily impose certain things on others which you don't like imposed on you yourself. So if you don't like something, definitely other will also not like it. And I'm happy that everybody is working together with me, and I have a wonderful team working with me along with my kids.
So my last question to you is, what suggestion would you like to offer to students who are confused in choosing the right career path for themselves?
Unfortunately, when it comes choosing a career, it must be seeded right in the beginning when the children are in class 8 and 7th and 6th. Because it becomes too late to choose for the career once they reach to the class 12. By then things will be clear. So I'm working on that. I constantly organize the career counseling in my school. Every year 4 or 5 career counseling, and I don't target the 12th as I told you in the beginning. I target career counseling for 8th, 9th and 10th as well. However, as far as the career choosing is concerned, I think parents also need to play a vital role. They need to keep telling them about the self-awareness. Children need to be given this training. This is one of the life skills, mind you, self-awareness. So they need to understand that what are their strongness, what are their weakness, what is the damage, what is there which they enjoy doing most. So if they are passionate about something, suppose one child is passionate about the sports, even if the child is not performing well in suppose the studies, teachers in my school, they don't give that much particular importance of that study for the child. They promote the child. Okay, let the child play sports. Similarly, some child might be very good in singing, in dancing. So recognizing the talent at the early age, recognizing the inclination of the child at very early age, and then promoting the child and helping the child and counseling the child will definitely help them choose the career at right time.
Thank you so much for your precious time, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
To know more about Nutan Vidya Mandir, kindly log on to www.fairgaze.com. Thank you.